Welcome to this lesson on dividing fractions. Today, we are going to learn a simple and powerful method to solve division problems involving fractions, often called the invert and multiply method. Before we work with fractions, let's remind ourselves what division actually means. Division is essentially about grouping. For example, if you have 6 items and you divide them by 2, you are asking, how many groups of 2 can I make out of 6? The answer, of course, is 3. Now let's apply that same logic to fractions. If we take the number 3 and divide it by 1/2, we are asking, how many halves fit into 3 whole items? If you look at 3 circles and cut each one in half, you can count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 divided by 1/2 equals 6. The key to dividing fractions without drawing pictures every time is a concept called the reciprocal. To find a reciprocal, you simply flip the fraction upside down. The numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. For instance, the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Even a whole number like 7 has a reciprocal of 1/7. We use a 3-step strategy to divide fractions, often remembered by the letters K, C, F. First, keep the first fraction exactly as it is. Second, change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And third, flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. Let's try an example. 3/4 divided by 1/8. Step 1, keep 3/4. Step 2, change division to multiplication. Step 3, flip 1/8 to become 8/1. Now, simply multiply across. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Here is another example involving 2 fractions. 2/5 divided by 2/3. We keep 2/5, change to multiplication, and flip 2/3 to 3/2. Now multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. The result is 6/10, which simplifies to 3/5. What if you have mixed numbers, like 1 and 1/2 divided by 2 and 1/4? You must convert them into improper fractions first. 1 and 1/2 becomes 3/2. 2 and 1/4 becomes 9/4. Once converted, you apply the keep, change, flip rule just like before. Be careful to avoid common mistakes. The most common error is flipping the wrong fraction. Always flip the second one, never the first. Also, remember to actually switch the symbol from division to multiplication. If you just flip the numbers but keep dividing, you will get the wrong answer. To summarize, keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, change the operation to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Then multiply and simplify. Now, try the practice problem shown here on your own to see if you have mastered the concept.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.